Hi friends, it's Morah Bayla. Welcome back to Learning Time with Morah Bayla. Yesterday we did music and movement together outside, and today we're going to be baking. Are you ready to see what we're going to be baking today? Today we're going to be baking something with this kind of fruit. What's this? This is a banana, and my banana is a little bit brown. Can you see? My banana is not so good to eat anymore, so I'm going to use it to make banana bread. I can recycle my old bananas that I don't want to eat anymore and make yummy banana bread that tastes like cake. Are you ready to bake with me? Here is my empty red bowl, and I'm going to start with my dry ingredients. So I'm going to take my flour. Here is my flour, and I can measure my flour, and I need to get one big one. I'm going to use this cup, and I measure my flour. Do you see? Here is my flour, and I can pour it into my bowl. Hooray! And now I need one more cup of flour with this littler cup spoonful. And here's another one, and I can pour it into my bowl. Hooray! Now I have my flour. What is next? Next, I need 1 cup of sugar. Here is my sugar. Do you see my sugar? I can take my cup again, and I can measure my sugar. Hooray! Now you see my sugar, and I will pour it into my bowl. So now my big red bowl has flour and sugar inside. Next, I'm going to add my salt. And here is my salt. And I need to get 2 spoonfuls of salt. Are you ready? And I can pour my salt today. Pour my salt today. Pour my salt today. Salt for my cake or banana bread. And 1 more thing of salt. And you can see me pour it into my bowl. I'm gonna add 1 more shake because it wasn't really enough. Okay, and next I'm going to do my baking soda. Baking soda kind of looks like flour and salt, and baking soda helps my banana bread rise and be light and fluffy and yummy to eat. So I'm going to pour my baking soda into my spoon. Do you see it in there? And I can pour it into my bowl. Hooray! Those are all my dry ingredients. Now I can take my spoon and mix my ingredients. Mix my ingredients. Mix my ingredients. I'm making banana bread. Hooray! Do you see inside this bowl? It's very white because all the ingredients were white. Now I'm going to take my big red bowl and I'm going to put it on the side. And I'm going to get a new bowl. This is my new white bowl. And in here I'm going to put the next few ingredients. The next thing I'm going to put is my margarine. Here is 1 stick of margarine. Or I can use butter, but I'm using margarine. And I open it up and put it into my bowl. I'm opening it up. Hooray! Now my margarine is in my bowl. And next, I'm going to put my eggs. 1 and 2. 2 eggs. Now my egg is white on the outside, and I'm going to crack it into my glass. Do you hear the crack? And I can open it up. Oh, and And here is the inside of my egg. Do you see it? It's clear liquid, just kind of like water, and a yellow yolk inside. Here's my yellow egg, and I'm going to hold it up and see if there's a red spot. No red spot, so I can put it straight into my bowl. And now I need one more egg. Here's another egg, and I can crack it on my cup, and I can, oh, did you see that? Did you see the yolk come out? The yellow yolk and clear liquid came out, and you can see it. And can you check to see, are there any red spots in my egg? I don't see any. And I can pour it into my bowl. So now my bowl, the white bowl, has margarine and 2 eggs inside. What comes next? Next, it's time for my bananas. So now I'm going to take my gloves, because what I'm going to do, are you ready? I'm going to take my bananas and I'm going to peel them, and then I'm going to mush them up with my hands and put them into my bowl and mix them with my eggs and my margarine. Are you ready? Now I have my gloves. Hello with my gloves. And I can open my banana. Do you see my banana? And I'm going to mush my banana into my bowl. Are you ready? See, I'm putting it into my bowl. And you know what? My bananas, I'm going to do it with a few more bananas. My bananas remind me, sorry about that. My bananas remind me of a song we sing in school about fruit. Are you ready to sing it together? We can sing, an apple grows on an apple tree. Oranges grow on an orange tree. A pear grows on a pear tree. Thank you, Hashem, for the fruit we eat. And what's inside an apple? Inside an apple there are apple seeds. Inside an orange there are orange seeds. Inside a pear there are pear seeds. So we can plant more trees. Hooray! And the same is true of bananas. Bananas grow on banana trees. Bananas grow on banana trees. Bananas grow on bananas trees. Thank you, Hashem, for bananas we eat. And inside a banana, there are very small seeds. The seeds are so small that you can actually eat them, because we don't eat apple seeds and we don't eat orange seeds, but banana seeds are small enough that we can eat them. And I'm trying to see if I could find any that are big enough for you to see. I don't know if you're going to be able to see them, but next time you eat a banana at home, you can ask your mommy or daddy to show you the seeds. And now I put 1, 2, 3 bananas into my bowl. Do you see it? And now I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to mix my ingredients. And I'm going to use my hands to mix. And while I mix, you know what? We can think about, you know what? When I went outside today, it wasn't cold anymore and it wasn't snowing. Because usually in the winter we had to put on our coat, right? When we went outside to the playground, we put on our coat, and some of us brought hats and gloves because our bodies got so cold because it was very cold outside. But now the winter is going away. We had Pesach and now it's after Pesach, and we can say goodbye to the winter. And now what season is coming next? Now it's starting to get warmer outside and it's going to be spring. And so, you know what? I want to sing my spring song today. I can sing spring is here, spring is here. Flowers are growing everywhere. The sun is shining in the sky. Butterflies are flying by. And maybe if you go outside today or tomorrow or the next day, you'll see those new flowers that are everywhere, and maybe you'll see the butterflies, and you'll probably see the sun, unless it's raining, then it's hard to see the sun. Okay, I've been mixing and mixing and mixing, and I'm almost ready to get my big red bowl and put my ingredients back. And just one more minute of mixing. Mix, mix, mix. I can mix, mix, mix my ingredients. Mix, mix, mix my ingredients. Mix, mix, mix my ingredients. Mix my ingredients together. Oh, almost ready. And now I'm going to take off my gloves because they got very dirty. And then I can show you my ingredients that are all mixed together. And are you ready to see? And here's my yellow bowl, my white bowl, and inside are my yellow ingredients. And now I'm going to take my red bowl, and I can pour my white ingredient, my white bowl into my red bowl. Do you see the ingredients pouring? Pour, pour, pour. And now all my ingredients are together. And now my next job is going to be to mix them together. You see, it has a lot of yellow ingredients on the top and white ingredients on the bottom. So now I need to mix, mix, mix. And what other song can I sing while I mix, mix, mix? I can sing, it's so nice to be together, together, together. It's so nice to be together on our video today. With the red class, and the blue class, and the orange class, and the pink class, and the green class, and all our Morahs and friends. It's so nice to be together on our video today. And I'm mixing, and it's almost, my banana bread is almost ready. And I need to mix it a little bit more. And I'm going to get my gloves on again so I can do a little bit more mixing with my hands, because I still have some pieces of my margarine that need to be a little bit more mixed in. Do you want to see what my bowl looks like now? There's my bowl. And there's my yellow banana bread batter inside. And I'm going to do a little bit more mixing with my hands. Smush, smush, smush. And I'm going to mix, mix, mix. And while I mix, let's think of even another song that we can sing, because we sing about spring. And we sing It's So Nice to Be Together. And why don't we sing about the alphabet? We can sing. And when you hear your letter, when you hear me sing your letter, you can clap really, really loud at home. And I can sing Aleph, Bet, Bet, Gimel, Dalet, Hey, Vav, Zayin, Chet, Tet, and Yud, Kaf, Chav, Chaf, Sophie, Lamed, Mem, Mem, Sophie, Nun, Nun, Sophie, Tzamach, Ayin, Pei, Fei, Fei, Sophie, Tzadi, Tzadi, Sophie, Kuf, Resh, Shin, Sin, Taf, and Saf. These are my alphabet. And there's another alphabet tune that we know that we sing sometimes too. And we can sing Aleph, Bet, Vet, Aleph, Bet, Vet, Gimel, Dalet, Hey, Gimel, Dalet, Hey, Vav, Zayin, Chet, Tet, Vav, Zayin, Chet, Tet, Yud, Kaf, Chaf, Yud, Kaf, Chaf, Lamin, Mem, Nun, Lamin, Mem, Nun, Samachayim, Pei, Fei, Samachayim, Pei, Fei, Zadi, Kuf, Resh, Zadi, Kuf, Resh, Shin, Sin, Taf, and Saf. Shin, Sin, Taf, and Saf. Okay, and now that was perfect timing because my banana dough batter is ready for the last special ingredient. And this is an ingredient you probably like a lot. I like it a lot. And this special ingredient is chocolate chips. Are you ready to put some chocolate chips inside our banana bread? All right, let's get our chocolate chips. Here is a new bag and I have to open it up. And I'm going to pour my chocolate chips into my bowl. Okay, and now I'm going to take my spoon and I'm going to do a little bit more mixing. Mix, 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 mix. Hooray! Mix, mix, mix. And now my banana bread is ready to put into my pan. This is going to be my loaf pan. So my cake comes out shaped just like that. And I'm going to take my spray, this is my oil spray, and I'm going to spray my pan so that my banana bread doesn't get stuck inside the pan. Now it's all sprayed with oil. And I can take my banana bread and I can pour it in. Let's make sure that you can see it. Pour, pour, pour. Hooray! Now, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my pan and I'm going to put it into the oven. And then it's going to bake, and then my whole family can eat it. And I hope they like it because we worked so hard. I'm sure that they will. A little bit more. Hooray! Now my banana bread is inside my pan. Do you see it? And now we did it. We started with the flour and the sugar, and then we put in the salt and the baking soda in our red bowl, and then we added our margarine and we cracked open the eggs into our white bowl, and then we took my bananas and I smushed them in and mixed, and then we put it all together and mixed it some more, and then we added our super special chocolate chips, and now it's inside our pan ready to go into the oven to be a yummy treat. Thank you, friends, for joining. That was so fun. I'm so happy we got to do that together. And I hope you enjoyed this video and you can watch it and show it to your family. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye, friends. Thank you for joining.